Very good morning, students. Last time we all have studied about the rational numbers. Okay. Now and many more properties of the rational numbers as well. Okay. So let us revise first what we have learned in the last lecture. Okay. In the last lecture, what I told you that your rational numbers. Okay. Your rational numbers. What are your rational numbers? Your rational numbers are any numbers which you can represent in P upon Q form. That is numerator upon denominator form. Okay, but the condition is that P and Q should be real numbers. Okay, your P and Q should be real numbers, but value of Q should not be equals to 0. Okay, your rational number look like this. P upon Q, it is looking like this, and your condition is P and Q, the very first condition that P and Q, they belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, P और Q क्या होने जरूरी है, वो real numbers होने चाहिए. Okay, and the most important condition that Q should not be equals to 0. Q का value 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, if anything is 0 in the denominator, for example, suppose Q is 0 over here, okay, and value of P is suppose 2 over here. So now remember, whenever you are having 0 in the denominator, that means the value of this fraction is infinity. Okay, इस fraction का जो value हो जाता है ना, वो infinity है. Okay, why it is infinity? Why? Because you cannot divide any number by 0. If you are going to divide it, you will be getting the infinitely many digits over there. It means you are going to get the answer infinity. It means it is never going to stop. Okay, so that's why the value of Q should not be equals to 0 when your number is a rational number. Okay, so let's start. Your rational numbers are always of two types. Okay, your rational numbers, they are of two types. Either they are terminating. Okay, either your rational numbers are terminating type, or they are non-terminating recurring type. Okay, so your rational numbers are of two types, remember. First is terminating type and second is non-terminating recurring type. Okay, I will give you the few examples of this. Terminating type, the example of this is like 2.7 or 1.5 or 3.8, something like this. Okay, which you will get as, where you will get as 0 as a denominator, 0 as your remainder. Okay, so when you will divide some fraction and you will get 0 as your remainder, that time this is called as your terminating type of rational number. So rational number, when it is terminating type, when you are going to get your remainder 0. Whenever हम लोग कोई भी division जब perform करते हैं ना, तो हमारे division में अगर हम लोग को 0 मिला ना, then our number is going to be terminating type. Okay, it means it is stop. वो वहाँ पे stop हो जाएगा. So that's why I am calling it as terminating. Terminating means stop, end हो जाएगा उसका वहाँ पर. Okay, now the second type of number, that is non-terminating recurring type number. Okay, what is non-terminating recurring? Non-terminating recurring, I will give you a few examples of this. For example, 1.3333. Okay, so on. It is not going to stop. It means non-terminating, not going to stop. And why recurring? Recurring meaning repeating. Okay, so the number 3 is repeating over here. So that's why I am calling this number as non-terminating and recurring as well. So this number is non-terminating recurring. Means you can call this number as 1 point and you can put a dot over here also. Okay, 1.3 and you can put a dot over there. So this number is going to be your which kind of number? This number is going to be your non-terminating recurring type of number. Okay, or else you can put a line also like this 1.3 and over on that you can put a line. You will not call it as a line, you will call it as a bar. Okay, so 1.3 bar it is. Bar means it is recurring, it is not going to stop. Okay, so now if the concept is clear, we will be starting with what? We will be starting with the very first practice set of yours. Okay, so let's start with your first practice set. We will start with the first practice set. This lesson is quite tough as compared to your first lesson. So if you are going to pay attention from the beginning, it will be better for you. Okay. So whenever you are feeling that this topic is tough, okay, I am not understanding this, then at that time you can note it down in your notebook. Okay, and you can ask those doubts. Okay, after you will see this lecture. Okay, now the very first question I am having over there in 2.1 practice set is classify the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. Okay, so what we have to do here, they have told you to classify the decimal form. So if you will see over here, the first question, that is 13 upon 5. Okay, now this number is a rational number, but this is not in a decimal form. This is in a fraction form. Okay, this is fraction. What we will do, we will first convert it into decimal. Okay, now how to convert it into decimal, that we have learned in your 4th or 5th standard. Okay, how we are going to convert it? We will just perform the division. Okay, so 5 is going to be your divisor. 5 is divisor and 13 is dividend. So in numerator यहाँ पे आएगा, denominator यहाँ पे आएगा, always. Now I'll start with my division. 5 2s are 10. Why? Because 13 से छोटा 10 is only there in the table. So 3 I'll get as a remainder. Now if any number is not there, अगर कोई number नहीं है आगे लेने के लिए, then you will put what? You will put 0 over there. And if you are putting extra 0, then you will give a decimal sign. Now 5 6 are 30. Now I am going to get 0 as the remainder. Okay, what we are getting? 0 as the remainder. It means it is not going to continue. It is going to stop over there only. It means what? It means 13 upon 5 is equals to what answer we got here? We got the answer 2.6. It means what? It means this number is categorized under which category? Terminating or non-terminating. But of this, 0 is your remainder. Then it is what type of rational number? It is a terminating type of rational number. Why it is terminating type? Again I am repeating. If your in your quotient part, if you are not getting anything in repeating, okay, repetition, if you are not getting anything, then that is your terminating type. Or if you are getting 0 as your remainder, then this is a terminating type of rational number. Okay, now note this down. Okay, and after this we will start with your second example. So let's start with the second example. Here we are having 2 upon 11. Okay, now 2 upon 11, again I have to tell them that whether it is terminating type or non-terminating recurring type. Okay, so for that I require the decimal form. This is in fraction. I will take the decimal form of it. How I am going to take the decimal form of this number? Simply I will divide this 2 by 11. Okay, so 11 is my divisor and 2 is the dividend. Now let's start. In the table of 11, lesser than 2, 2 से छोटा, only 0 is there. 11 zeros are 0. So 11 zeros are 0. Okay, so that I have written 2 I got as a remainder. Now I will take extra 0 I because nothing is there to take down. So मैंने 0 लिया, then I will put a decimal over here. Okay, for 0 I will put a decimal. Then in the table of 11, 20 से lesser, only 11 is there. 11 ones are 11. Okay, so I'll get 9 now as a remainder. Again I'll continue, again I'll take 0, but this time don't take decimal. Why? Because decimal is always taken only once. Okay, एक बार ही डेसिमल लिया जाता है, बार बार नहीं लिया जाता है. Then 11 के टेबल में 90 से छोटा 88 is there. 11 8s are 88. Then 2 I'll get as a remainder. Now again I'll take 0. Now you observe, you don't have to do further steps. Why? Because if you will observe, I have got 20 over here. Again I got 20 here. It means what? It means these two digits are going to repeat. ये दो digit repeat होंगे. Why? Because यहाँ पे 20 मिला था. Again I got 20 on this step. Okay. If you want, you can check. 18, 18, 18. It is going to recur. Okay. But why to waste your time? What you will observe, 20 you are seeing over here. This 20 is again started repeating. It means what? After this 18, 18, 18, 18 is going to recur. Recur means to repeat. Okay. So you will put these dots over here. That is indicating what? That is indicating that it is going to recur. So I'll write down my final answer, that 2 upon 11 is equals to what? Is equals to 0.18. And dot dot meaning what? Recurring. Okay, here both the digits are repeating. 1 and 8 both are repeating. If both are repeating, then you will put a bar upon both of them. 1 और 8 दोनों के ऊपर बार लगाएंगे. अगर कोई एक रिपीट होता तो मैं सिर्फ एक के ऊपर लगाती. और यहाँ पे दोनों रिपीट हो रहे तो दोनों के ऊपर बार लगाना है. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नंबर इज दिस? रैशनल नंबर इज दिस. सो दिस इज बट ऑब्वियस नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग क्यों? बिकॉज 0 नहीं मिल रहा है एज अ रिमाइंडर. एंड रिकरिंग टाइप. व्हाई इट इज रिकरिंग? रिकरिंग क्यों है? Why it is recurring? Recurring इसके लिए. Why? Because 1 8 is repeating. Okay, it is going to repeat. It is not going to stop. So that's why this number 2 upon 11, its decimal form is 0.18 bar, and it is what kind of rational number? It is non-terminating and recurring type of rational number. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. Okay, let's take the third example. Your third example is 29 upon 16. Okay. Again, what I'll do, I'll just start with my division. 16 is my divisor. 29 is my dividend. Okay. Now let's start. 16, in the table of 16, lesser than 29, itself 16 is there. So 16 ones are 16, because 16 twos are 32. So that we can't take. Why? Because 29 से बड़ा है वो. So 16. Then I put a minus sign. Then I am getting what? I am getting 13 as the remainder. Now no number is there to take down. So 0 I will take, and I put a decimal here. Then in the table of 16, 128 is there. 16 8s are. Okay, that is smaller than 130. So 16 8s are 128. Then I take 2 as a remainder. Then 0 again I will take, but don't have to take the decimal because decimal एक ही बार लिया जाता है. Then 16 के टेबल में 20 से lesser. Now always don't do the division only. Okay, you keep track रखो कि what is repeating. Okay, so till now nothing is repeating. 20 came here, 13 was there. Now, 13 was there, here 2 was there. So nothing is repeating yet. So continue करते calculation. Now in the table of 16, 20 से छोटा itself 16 is there. 16 ones are 16. Now 4 I got. 0 I take again. So in the table of 16, 40 से छोटा 32 is there. 16 twos are 32. 8 I got as a remainder. 0 I take here. 16 5s are 80. Okay, so finally we got 0 as the remainder. We got 0 as a remainder. It means what? It means our number is terminating type. Why? Because 0 we got. It has stopped now. So terminating. So therefore the final answer which you are going to write down is 29 upon 16. Make a habit of writing your answer in this form. Is equals to 1.8125 and nothing is repeating. So don't put dots, don't put bar over there. Okay, nothing is going to repeat. And what kind of number is this? This is terminating type of number. Okay, terminating type of rational number is this. I hope you have understood this concept of terminating and non-terminating recurring type of rational numbers. Okay, always if this kind of question is coming, whether your number is terminating or non-terminating recurring, what is the first thing that you are going to do? You are going to do the division first. Okay, you will do the division first, and followed by that you will check whether your number is terminating or your number is non-terminating recurring. Okay, now your fourth example we are having 17 upon 125. Okay, let's start with the division. That is our first step. 125 is our divisor, 17 is our dividend. Okay, if your number is smaller than your denominator, that is 17 is smaller than the denominator, then the 0 you will be putting. 125 zeros are 0. Okay, 125 zeros are 0. So 17 I will get as a remainder, 0 I will put, then for 0 I have to take the decimal sign. Now in the table of 125 I am writing your table of 125. If you want, 125 zeros are 0, 125 ones are 125, 125 twos are 250, 125 threes are 375, 125 fours are 500. Okay, 125 fives are 625, 125 six are 750, 125 sevens are 875. Okay, till this I am taking now. Afterwards we will take the further numbers if required. Now 170 we are having now here. So less than 170, who is there? 125 is there. Lesser than 170, that is 125 ones are. So 125 ones are 125. 5. Then here I will get 4. 45. Okay, as the remainder 45. Now after 45 again I will put 0. Now I will search for 450 here. Where is 450? 450 is not there. So less than 450, who is there? 375. That is 125 threes are. So 125 threes are 375. Okay. Again I will do the subtraction. I hope you know how to do the subtraction. So after this, what I will get? I will get 75 as the remainder. Now I will put 0 again. Now I will check for 750 in the table. Yes, I got 750 finally. And 750 is what? 125 6 are. 125 6 are 750. So finally I got 0. So what is bachcha log? What kind of number is this? This is obviously your terminating type of rational number. Simple it is. So your final answer 17 upon 125 is equals to 0.136. Very good. Okay. So immediately write down the type of your number. This is what? This is terminating type of rational number. Okay. See, this is not required. This is it is not expected that ये एग्जाम में तुम लोग लिखो. Okay, why I have written that? Because मुझे in detail explain करना था. So I have written this table over here. So आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि तुम लोग एग्जाम में इसको लिखो, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एज सच. ओके, I hope now you can solve question number 5. Okay, remaining that is 11 upon 6. So 11 upon 6 you all can do, I hope. So I will start with my question number 2. So question number 5 is homework for you all. I am writing the homework, so show it to me after the lecture ends. Okay, so homework here. Question number 1, in that you will be solving 5th one. Okay, this is your homework. Now, that is the second question I am going to solve now. Second question, it is very similar to your first one. Okay, but थोड़ा काम इसमें कम है. What is that thing जो कम करना है वो ये कि तुम्हें टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप ऐसा कुछ लिखना नहीं है. Only you have to find out the decimal form by division. Okay, so division करके decimal form you have to find. So the very first number I'm taking 127 upon 200 here. Okay, so as usual, if you want you can write down the table of 200. If you want you can write it down. 200 zeros are 0, 200 ones are 200, 200 twos are 400, 200 threes are 600. Okay, 7 8 तक you write it down. 4s are 800, 200 5s are 1000, 200 6s are 1200, 200 7s are 1400. Okay, done. Now I'll stop here. Afterwards, if required, I'll write down the further numbers. So what I'll do, 200 is my divisor, 127 is my dividend. Okay, so let's start the division. In the table of 200, 127 हम लोग search करेंगे. Okay, 127 is there? No. Then less than that, 0 is there. You all can see. So this 0 is on this position. 200 zeros are 0. Okay, 127 is our remainder. 0 I'll take further. Decimal I'll put. 1270 I'll search. 1270 is there? No. But smaller than that, 1200 is there now. Then what I'll do? 206 are 1200 I'll write down here. Then 70 is your remainder. 0 I'll take further. फिर वापस मैं 700 को सर्च करूंगी. किधर है किधर है किधर है किधर है किधर है नहीं है. Okay, what I'll do there? 700 is smaller. 600 is there. Yes. There 203s are 600. Very good. Okay, 100 I'll have as a remainder. Then 0 I'll put again. Now 1000 is there. Yes, very good. Excellent. So 1000 is there. 200 5s are 1000. Okay, finally, yay. Finally we got 0. Very good. So your number 127 upon 200, we are getting the answer 0.635. Okay, and you don't have to write down whether it is terminating type or non-terminating type. Okay, you just have to write down its decimal form, that is 0.635. I hope you all are understanding what is your question number 2, and remaining questions also we are going to solve, but that will be in the next lecture. Thank you.